Some of our customers may not be aware that alongside offering heating elements, we can also offer full solutions. For example, the enclosure that it sits in, the lead harness that comes off the element, or the control system as well, so we can supply the full package to the customer. So a good example of this is a customer of ours that are in the scientific industry. Originally we used to just supply the immersion heater to this customer, but since they found out about our full solutions, we now supply the stand that the immersion heater goes on. We assemble all the glassware. We can also supply the finished product in a branded box for the customer, or just ready to install into their machine. Our in-house machinery includes turning and milling machines, fabrication and welding facilities, sheet metal formation machines, and a full electrical assembly line. So that means that we can supply the full solution to our customers, not just the heating element. The benefits of our full solutions include our customers not having to deal with multiple suppliers. It also means they don't have to deal with the design or the prototype manufacturing, because we can do that. There may be many different stages that you contact us at. It could be the initial design stage, or if you've already got a product in manufacture. But the best thing to do is just give us a call and we can go over it and check that it's going to be beneficial for you.